Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Now just tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!